Now, South Africans will today bow their heads in prayer for victims of the floods in KZN. The province has declared today a day of prayer. 448 people have been killed and thousands more are still missing and without homes. eNCA's Letiwe Mdluli joins us now live to give us a bit more. Letiwe, earlier on you spoke to the Premier, Sihlezi Galala, in terms of the prayers that they'll be holding there. Tell us what he told you.
Well, Maseko, basically the Premier did elaborate that this day of prayer is for the families that did lose their family members during the flooding. You'd know that many families are still without their loved ones as search and rescue operations continue across the province. And so many families did lose their loved ones during the floods. I'm actually now joined by a few family members that are present here today who have lost some of their family members. I'm now joined by Usisi, who lost her child unfortunately during the floods, and ngicela nje ukukhuluma nawe Sisi regarding ukulahlekelwa ingane. I know ukuthi during the floods last week nilahlekelwe ingane. Take me through ukuthi kwenzakalani on that day.
Ngalolu suku okwenzeka ngakhona kwakunetha, so ingane zisendlini, so mina ngigasha eambulance, babe bonke ngaphakathi kanye nomzali wami, yonke ifamily. Mengizwa kuthiwa kwavisane kwawa indlu yawela enganeni, ingane ezazikhona ngaphakathi zazu2 ezashona, ena 12 years nomfundo mase kuba owami ona 7 years. Ngathi mengifika ngalolo langa bengifonele ngalo kuthiwa ngiphuthume ingane ingaphakathi ayiphumi. Mengithi ngiyafika ngaphakathi ingane ilele ibheke phansi, iroof yonke imvale ikhanda lonke umqala yawela emqaleni, suthi kwawela yonke into phezu kwakhe. Ngangabona lutho ikhanda lakhe, ngabona umzimba, so sathi siyaphakamisa, sangaphakamiseka kwaphela lapho ke. So azama amaphoyisa ukuthi asize nawo ahluleka, kwaze wafika firearms akwazi ukuthi akhiphe lonke udaka, bakhiphe konke manje iphuma ingane.
Ngiyaxolisa kakhulu ngesimo esanehlakela ngolosibili, kodwa ke ngiyazi ukuthi kuyimanje niyimndeni nidinga usizo. Ngiyazi ukuthi menisuka la niyahamba niyemakhazeni. Ngicela nje unginabele ngenikudingayo kuhulumeni ngalesi sikhathi.
Yebo, ngiyadinga ukuthi uhulumeni ungisize, ungisupporte kulento engenzakalile ebuhlungu kangaka. Kwamuzi uwile, asinayo indawo yokuhlala, kwemanje ngisaqashile, asinalutho nje. Yebo, ibasinikezile i-voucher, ngiyabonga ngalokho ukuthi bangisizile kasasa ngathola i-voucher ngakwazi ukuthenga ukudla. Kodwa ngiyafisa ukuthi baphinde baqhubeke bangisize futhi kuyo yonke into engizoyidinga.
Senilitholile usizo mayelana nongcwaba, ngiyazi ukuthi nenza lawo ma-plans right now.
Yebo, bona bazamile ukuthi bangisize ngisayoqhubeka ngibona ukuthi ngisizakale kanjani. Yebo.
And in terms of ama-social worker mhlampe nalezi ingane ezazikhona ngosuku kade kwenzeka isigameko, niyalidinga lolo sizo?
Yebo, salidinga kakhulu futhi singajabulela kakhulu. Yebo, njengoba singanawo nje ikhaya kuyimanje, asinalutho nje. Even izinto zokugqoka kwahamba kwama-uniform, ingane asinalutho. Singajabula sibasize kakhulu.
Ngiyabonga.
Siyabonga.
Maseko, I also have another resident from Umlazi Township who's here today, Usisi Shabani. Sisi, ubungichazela mayelana nokulahlekelwa ikho konke ngalesi sikhathi kade umuzi ushawa yimvula. Ngicela nje ungichazele ngesimo sakho kuyimanje.
Yebo, mina ngihlala ka eMlazi, imvula zisikhathlamezile kakhulu. Ngihlala nengane na 4 years, njengamanje nje asinalutho. Ngasala nalokho engigqokile kuphela. Sakwazi ukukhipha ama-ID certificate kuphela. Yebo.
Lupho usizo nilidingayo manje ku-government?
Besicela abantu ukuthi sakhelwe izindlu ngoba chazimukile-ke impela le ngihlela khona. Yebo.
And njengoba nila namhlanje kule prayer nizokwenzani, nizokhalisana neminye imindeni eyalahlekelwa imizi?
Yebo, sokhalisana nayo abadlulelwe imiphefumulo. Yebo.
Umphakathi waka uthinteke kangakanani ngalesi sigameko sama-floods?
Uthinteke kakhulu nje ngoba imizi eminingi cha ihambile namanzi. Njengamanje sihlele ehholo ka yebo, ku-ward 8.
Ngiyalithola lonke usizo enilidingayo kulelo hholo lelo?
Besathola ukudla ke kunabantu abafika bezonikela ngokudla kodwa kweingubo ke zogqoka cha besingawuthola.
Nihleli kanjani kulele holo ninazo indawo zokulala?
Yebo siphatheke kahle ke besanikezwe ingubo embili nje nomatrasi phela. Yebo. Siyabonga.
So Masego, I just want to take you through what the ladies are saying here. The mother that I spoke to, unfortunately, she lost her 7-year-old child along with another 12-year-old during the floods last week on Tuesday. She stays in Newlands, but unfortunately, her children were in Umlazi when the floods started, and she received a call that day informing her that she had lost her child. She did elaborate on what they found when they got to Umlazi, saying that her whole house was washed away by the time that they got there, and the search and rescue operation teams were able to find the bodies of those missing children. She is saying that at the moment they are getting ready with burial preparations. They are here today so that they can take part in this prayer and also plead with officials for assistance. Fortunately enough for her, she has been able to receive a voucher from the Social Development Department, but she is also saying that they need more help. The other lady that I was speaking to, Sisetne Shabane, she was saying that the only clothes that they have are the clothes that they are wearing right now. Unfortunately, they did lose their house last week Tuesday, and she is saying that the community of E section in Umlazi was most affected by the floods. Right now they are living at a community hall, and they have been provided with a few clothing items and also blankets as well, but they are here to just urge the government and officials for housing, because right now that's what they need shelter.
And let's hear very quickly, just let me know who we're expecting in terms of government there. I know, of course, that there'll be some provincial MECs with the Premier Sihlezi Galala, but anyone from national maybe, for example?
Well, when I was looking at the program, Masego, we did not see anyone from national. We did see that a lot of MECs across the province will be joining in. I have spotted the Department of Education MEC, Kwazimshengu, inside. I also did see officials from the Department of Social Development. I do know that the MEC and the Deputy Minister of Social Development are going to be in the south coast of the province today. I'm not sure whether they will be joining in the prayer. They're not on the program, but for now it looks like only provincial authorities will take part in this provincial prayer. So far we have not spotted anyone from national.
All right, Letu Mdluli, let's leave it there for now. She is attending that provincial day of prayer.